I'm Ramona Foster from Social Media How To's with Romona. And today I want to bring you another small business tip. As a marketing consultant and constant contact partner, I use online marketing to help my clients get new customers and increase their revenue. And I know one challenge small businesses face is growing their email list. The best tip for that is to take every opportunity, both in person and online, to ask people to subscribe to your newsletter. And don't be shy, whether it's a printed sign up sheet on display at your business or a join my mailing list button or pop up form on your website. It's all about making it easier for people to act. Make sure you let your social media followers know about your newsletter too. I hope this tip helps your small business do more business. Tune in tomorrow for another quick tip. And if you want to learn more about Constant Contact, be sure to visit romonafoster.com, click on or mouse over the services tab and click on email marketing.